Hey creators, if you're all about capturing crisp, clear audio on the go, then boy, do I have some exciting news for you. Today, we're diving into how Rode's Wireless Micro has been named Best Microphone by Rolling Stone at the 2025 Audio Awards. And let me tell you, this little device is truly changing the game for creators everywhere. First up, let's talk about its compact design. It's seriously small, fitting right in your pocket, making it perfect for creators who are always on the move. Whether you're vlogging from a bustling city street or setting up for a remote podcast in a cozy cafe, this mic has got your back. Now, for the tech geeks out there, you'll love this. Ultra-low latency and broadcast-grade sound quality. Yeah, you heard me right. Your audio will be virtually lag-free, and it'll sound as professional as a studio recording. Rolling Stone praised its innovation in delivering studio-quality sound in a portable package. That's some high praise. Oh, and let's not forget about the intelligent gain control. This feature automatically adjusts your mic's levels so you don't have to worry about clipping or distortion. It's like having your very own sound engineer in your pocket. The battery life, it's extended so you can shoot all day without worrying about running out of juice. Perfect for those long live streams or marathon filming sessions, but don't just take my word for it. Filmmakers, vloggers, and even musicians are raving about how it's revolutionized their workflow. Here's a real-life use case. Sarah, a travel vlogger, says, "The wireless micro has made capturing high-quality audio so effortless, I can focus entirely on creating content." And Rode's mission? Their CEO, Damian Wilson, said it best. "We're committed to democratizing pro-level audio so every creator has the power to share their voice with the world." It's not just about selling a product, it's about empowering you to create fearlessly. So whether you're live streaming, vlogging, filming, performing acoustic sets, or hosting remote podcasts, the Rode Wireless Micro is your new best friend. It's small but mighty, smart but simple, and ready to take your content to the next level. Join the wave of creators who are already making magic with this award-winning mic. It's your time to shine, and Rode has got your back. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creator tips and gear reviews. Catch you in the next one.